Do you want to clear your chat history on the DeepSeek app, but aren't sure how? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're looking to delete a single conversation or wipe out all your chats at once, I've got you covered. Let's begin by opening the DeepSeek app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This will bring up a side menu displaying all your previous conversations. Since I currently have 3 chats here, I'll first show you how to delete an individual chat before moving on to clearing all conversations at once. If you only want to delete a specific chat, find the conversation you wish to remove and long press on it. A few options will pop up on your screen. You'll see an option to rename the conversation, but to delete it, simply tap the Delete button below. After confirming, that chat will be permanently erased from the app. Now, if you want to delete all your chat history at once, go to your profile by tapping the small profile picture icon at the bottom. This will take you to the settings page, where you will find multiple customization options. Scroll down to the bottom until you see the Delete All Chats option. Tap on it, and a confirmation message will appear on your screen. The message will warn you that deleting all chats is irreversible. This means that once you confirm, every conversation linked to your account will be erased permanently, and there's no way to restore them. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and proceed. Keep in mind that if you experience any issues while deleting your chats, such as the option not working or the app freezing, it may be due to temporary server issues. Sometimes DeepSeek servers experience downtime due to maintenance or external attacks. If this happens, don't worry, the issue will likely be resolved soon. Just try again later. And that's it. Now you know how to delete individual chats and clear all conversations in DeepSeek AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more DeepSeek tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.